Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I refresh my hair plus my nighttime routine. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Alright, so here I've taken my hair down from the ponytail it was in, and now I'm getting ready to spritz my hair with some water. So we're going to spray the scalp with water, of course. Now the water I'm using is distilled water. It's not water from the faucet, so keep that in mind. And I'm just going to go ahead and spritz all over. And what you want to keep in mind that in the colder months, you want to make sure you lightly spritz your hair. You do not want it to be drenched and soaking wet because you want to make sure that it dries before you leave the house. So definitely keep that in mind as you are spraying this water onto your scalp. Alright, so after that, you go ahead and massage the water into your scalp for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so next I'm going to fix any loose strands in my hair. So anything that I just want to fix, I'm going to fix it right here in this step. So here I've got some hairs that are poking out of this strand. So I'm just going to take my crochet needle. Alright, and we're just going to pull them through the opposite side to make sure that those ends aren't poking through. I'm not really trying to go for any type of perfection when I'm doing this. I just don't want it to be as distressed as it is. So I'm just going to go through this maybe on a couple of strands, and then we'll be finally done with this process. Next, we're going to be applying the leave-in conditioner. So I'm squeezing that into my hand like so, and this is about how much I'll be using for my entire head. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this to the scalp. This is going to create some moisture that I need for my hair since I haven't moisturized it since I installed this hair. Okay, don't forget about the edges. Alright, now to seal in that moisture, you're going to grab your hair oil. I'm going to show you how I made it in this step right here. So I'm taking my little funnel and it's flexible, so I can just push it into this bottle, and it stayed still for the most part. I'm adding some grapeseed oil right now, some jojoba oil in, and I'm just eyeballing this process. I'm applying the castor oil in now. It's a little slower with going into the bottle, but it is going in. And then we're applying some olive oil, which is a staple oil in my regimen. Alright, so after that, we're just going to place the cap on top, and this is how the mixture looks. As you can see, everything meshes together pretty well, and now we are finally done with the oil, and this cap also comes out as well. Alright, so now we're just going to take the hair oil and apply it directly to the scalp like so. And once I apply it to the scalp, I gently massage it in. Now, if you are planning to go to work or any type of event, you want to make sure you apply the oil sparingly. You don't want to apply too much, and then it'll be dripping all over you at whatever your destination is. So just apply a little bit and just massage it in. Again, we're just trying to seal in the moisture that we got from the water and from the leave-in conditioner, and then we're just going to massage that in for about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, so up next, I'm going to be applying my edge controls, and here are the two that I mentioned in my previous video that works great for laying my edges. Alright, and I applied these two right on top of each other. So the first is the Blueberry Bliss Edge Control by Curls. The other is the Edge Booster, and I'm just going to apply it like so. Alright, and then I'm just going to take my edge brush and smooth them through. Again, a little bit of this product goes a long way. I know that I say that every time, but if you make the mistake of applying too much, it's going to look flaky, and we don't want that. So today I'm going for a makeup but no makeup look with no foundation, just eyebrows and lip gloss. So I'm just filling in the concealer I placed under my eyebrows right here with some powder. This is the finished product, so I'm going to go ahead and run some errands and I'll come back later. Alright, so here we are. This is my nighttime routine. I am fresh out of the shower, which is why I've got this shower cap on. And I'm just applying my metallic face mask to my face right now. Now I'm getting ready to massage my scalp. So I'm taking off that shower cap and we're going to get into the bed. And I'm applying the oil right onto my scalp like so. Alright, this is a similar process to what we did earlier, but of course I'm applying the oil just a little heavier than I did in the morning time because I'm not worried about it dripping down my neck or anything because it's nighttime and we just don't have to worry about that. So massage it in very, very well for about 2 to 3 minutes in this position. Okay, so in just a moment, you'll see me switch positions. Alright, so I'm laying on my back on the bed and my head is pointed towards the floor. So this is the inversion method head massage. And basically with this method, you are upside down and it increases blood circulation to your scalp. And in return, while you're massaging it in, it's stimulating your hair growth. And it's said to get about an extra inch or 2 per month. I don't do it as consistently as I should, but I try to do it at least 2 to 3 times a week. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up my entire routine. Repeat this process at least 3 to 5 times a week, as often as you can. And yeah, that's the mask. I give myself a light massage, and here is my silk bonnet. So I'm going to go ahead and go to bed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.